Are you tired of struggling when you lose some weight and then you just gain it right back? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why you've been regaining the weight in the past. Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Chaney, and I specialize in helping people lose weight with a plant-based diet. But most importantly, I help them focus on transitioning their self-image when it comes to their food home. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So one of the main reasons why you may have been regaining weight over and over again in the past is because of your food home. This is why this is very important. This is why I say you must start identifying this, because if you don't identify it, you will never truly be able to take control of your weight or your health. And so you may be like, oh, Jason, I don't really understand how important is my food home. Your food home is a GPS. This means when you go on diets, you get off of that GPS and then you're starting to feel like, oh, I'm missing these foods. Oh, I can't wait till I eat these foods. And once you get off your diet after you lost some weight, you go straight back to the foods that's actually keeping the weight on. The beautiful thing about finding out your food home is once you start identifying it, you can replace those foods with healthier versions. And look, we all want to be healthy. I understand you're doing your best to eat healthy, but there's a lot more into eating than what we think it is. Most of our eating is actually unconscious, meaning we're not aware when we're eating. And because most of us don't track our meals, we don't do any type of deal of understanding how we eat, how much food we eat in a day, how much money we're spending on food a day, we never have a clue of this. And look, I'm going to be straight honest with you. These other weight loss people out here, they're not telling you this. These diet programs not telling you this because they want your money. They know that subconsciously you